friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google account. For that, first go into Google, search for Google account sign up, and in here select create your Google account. And now type your first name here, and type your last name here. Choose your username, and create a password. Confirm your password. Choose your date of birth. Choose your gender. And here mobile phone number is optional. You can give it or you can just leave it. If you have any current email address, you can give it, or if you don't have any current email address, you can leave it. There's no problem. It's also optional. And after giving all, click continue. After reading all these terms and conditions, click I agree. And here's it. You have created an account. Click continue. And that's it. It's over. You have created an account. And in the next video, I will show you how to delete a created account. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to all your friends and let them know about it. Give a thumbs up to this video, and bye bye. I will see you on next video.